Hey friends, are you getting ready for the holidays? Do you have some entertaining that you're going to be doing with family and friends? How would you like to have some custom made charcuterie board markers or cheese markers for all of your holiday entertaining? I've been back to the Dollar Tree and I found these cute little wooden Christmas trees. They're actually supposed to be ornaments, but I've come up with an idea to make them into some cheese markers. And then I also have other appetizers that I like to identify what they are for my Christmas party. So I'm going to actually be using some old, these are Scrabble tile holders. We're going to be cutting those down to make them for a little stand for these Christmas trees to sit in for items that you cannot put a toothpick in. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be doing this. So if this sounds intriguing to you, then stay tuned. Okay, the first thing you want to do is paint your wooden Dollar Tree Christmas tree ornaments and paint the front and the back. I ended up painting both the front twice just so it would have a really good coverage. You can use a variety of colors here. Then once these are dry, then you can go in with a black Sharpie and write in the names of the items that you're going to be using at your Christmas parties or any other function. I used a black Sharpie marker and I left some of them blank until I'm sure what I'm going to be serving. Then I take the some long toothpicks. These are 4-inch toothpicks, and I use some E6000 glue and apply them to the back of it. The back of the Christmas tree. You want to be sure that they're really, really straight, and then add some hot glue over the top because the hot glue will go ahead and set them up perfectly. Then I went in and I actually used a little jingle bell for where the hole of the Christmas tree is. So I just put a hot glue on it and stuck that gold jingle bell there in that hole. Then I'm going back with some Elmer's glue and I'm just using a fine paintbrush and covering over the areas that I want to add glitter. Then sprinkle it with glitter and shake it off. I did little lines on the trees and maybe a few ornaments, and then around the edges. You can do whatever works, whatever feels good for you. Then I'm using these Scrabble tiles and I'm just going to cut them into 3 pieces. Each Scrabble tile is cut into 3 pieces, and I'm going to use them to make stands for appetizers. I'm using some double stick puffy tape here, and then I'm just going to add the Christmas tree appetizer marker to it. So you can do so many different things with them. Take a look at how they turned out. As I said, I left some of them blank because I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be serving at my Christmas party, but I think they turned out really, really cute.